We have some medium shrimp along with some celery, with some green and orange sweet bell peppers, along with some sliced sweet onions, and we have some applewood smoked bacon. Then we have some minced garlic, some Rotel mild tomato and green chilies, some parsley flakes, some lemon pepper, some spicy seasoning, complete seasoning, garlic and herb seasoning, garlic powder, and black pepper. This is what I want you guys to do first. I want you to go ahead and cook up that there applewood smoked bacon. Once that's done, go ahead and remove it out of the skillet. Do not pour out the drippings. We're gonna use that. Go ahead and take your veggies, your celery, your sweet peppers, along with your onions, and cook it in the drippings. Once you're done with that, I want you to cook this for at least around about 4 to 5 minutes. So you don't have to fully cook your vegetable. We're gonna do something else with it, all right? So I want you to remove it out of the skillet, and let's go to the next process by seasoning up our medium shrimp. We're gonna take all of our seasonings and add it to the shrimp. All right, there's no measurement to this here video. You can use as much as you want or less as you want. Trust and believe me, I'm not measuring. I didn't do any measurements with these seasonings. You guys know how much you want to use. All right, so go ahead and try it. But once you try this here shrimp and grits, I guarantee you, you're gonna love this recipe. It's definitely a hit in my family. All right, so once we got this here seasoned up, go ahead, man, and mix everything up together. Now we got our skillet on medium-high heat. We want to add our shrimp, and we just want to cook these shrimp for at least around about 2 minutes. That's about it, 2 minutes per side, all right? Now we got our shrimp cooked up. We want to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of butter to the skillet. Now, I want you to get yourself together and prepared. Get those Rotel tomatoes and add it to the shrimp also. Mix everything around. Make sure we incorporate all of this here. We're gonna do something special by adding mad flavor to this here skillet, y'all. So we're gonna also add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Now I want you to go ahead and take your vegetables along with that applewood smoked bacon and add it to the skillet. Mix everything up. If you do the recipe just like you're seeing this being done right now, trust and believe me, you'll be making this again over and over and over because it's just that good. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna take some of the seasoning that you've used previously. You can choose to use whatever type of seasonings you want. All right, the previous seasonings that we used, you can go ahead and add some more to the skillet, just so you can have a little bit more flavor. Like I said, you can use your own measurements. All right, I didn't use any measurements at all. If you want to choose to use to go back and use the rest of these here seasonings, you can. If you want to use just 1 or 2 flavors, you can. It's your dish. Make it your own. Prepare it the way you like it. Trust and believe me, you can't go wrong with this recipe. So here, I'm using some tomato paste. A tablespoon of tomato paste. I didn't have this in the ingredients, but this tomato paste is gonna bring color to the juice. I'm telling you, y'all. Go ahead and get you some tomato paste and add 1 tablespoon to it and mix everything around, okay? I want you guys to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And it looks so good. All right, we're gonna add these shrimp and grits to some cheesy shrimp and grits. I didn't add no recipe to the shrimp and grits, but trust and believe me, I'm going to make sure that I put a video up for these here cheesy grits. These grits was off the hook, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, they was off the hook. So if you want to prepare your own cheesy grits, or however you want to do this here recipe, trust and believe me, you can't go wrong with it. And I will post a video up and coming soon with this here cheesy grits recipe. And you can also use this recipe over a bed of rice. Man, that looks good. I'm hungry, y'all. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And then, on top of that, hit that subscribe button if you're not a part of the Ray Mack family member, all right? Come on, y'all. I really like to thank you guys for watching this here video. It has definitely been a pleasure creating these here shrimp and grits. If this is something that you like, please go ahead and hit that like button, and also leave a comment in the comment section. For those of you who are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is definitely a great opportunity for you guys to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell where you'll be notified of up and coming videos. I always say this at the end of my videos: love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. I love you guys. Peace and be blessed.